Okay, here's just a brief introduction to being able to share a document and working in a document with another collaborator. So I'm going to, in my practice folder, I'm going to create a document first. So I want to just collaborate with a friend, and we are going to collaborate here on some ideas we're throwing around. And I'm going to give it a title here. Let's call it Great Minds, because that's what we are. Alright, so once I've started and I thought, oh, I would love to have my friend share this with me and be able to collaborate with me. So what I'm going to do is go up to the upper right here, click on the share, and my office buddy is Jane, and I'm going to type in her name and then I'll see it pop up here. And I'm going to notify her by email, or she'll just see it in her shared with me folder in Google Drive. So I'm going to share that with her and show that she can edit. I could change her to an owner, or can comment or can view, but I'm going to let her edit so we can work together. And so I'm going to be working in here and then invite her to come. And so whenever she's able, or if we're actually working together, then whenever she sees that in her Google Drive, she can click on that file and then just join me. So I'm going to be making up information that is critical to the success of our students. And I'm going to, and I noticed a little pop-up box over here that there's somebody here. It says one other viewer, and then I click, it says Jane Germany, and look, it says right here she is typing and she's ready to collaborate. I could have changed that for her. So we are able to work at the same time. I can keep working up here, and she's working on the same document at the same time, and again, it's saving as we go, and it's a great collaborative tool. We can work on this document together. And if we want to chat while we're working on this document, then I would click her box on the right, and I can just start chatting with her, and she would see that pop up. And it's just like a little chat box over here. So we can be chatting and talking. If we're not in the same room, then we're able to chat on the right as we're working on this document, and see, and she's able to email or chat with me right back. So very easy to use, and so I would do that with the share button, and I'll show you what that looks like in Google Drive. If you go to shared with me, then you're going to see it in these files right here unless you move it, but whenever somebody shares something with you, that's where it's going to be, in the shared with me. Very easy.